I just wanted to take the time to record this moment.
Fucking nasty.
Hello? It's only been a few hours. It's chaos.
Don't eat the McDonald's.
Brooke don't eat the McDonald's.
No, fuck you guys. And Amber gets hit by a throw up again, and I had to throw up in.
Throw up in the cup.
Don't!
There
I'm
are
not finished.
There are 3 cups.
Brittany, give me your cup. I know you're done with it already. I brought it up. I brought it on, right?
Okay. Okay.
Throw up again, Jess, honey.
Are you about to throw up? Can I record? Please.
Fuck you, Amber! Oh my gosh! I will shove this down your little throat, okay? Choking on chocolate, throwing it up too.
Oh my god. Okay, I won't record it. That would be so nasty.